Hey, welcome back viewers to Branching Out. I'm Curtis Hanlon, your host. And today we're just going to talk about some really fun facts about all the fruits and vegetables that might be out there. So I hope you enjoy this. And we're going to start with, did you know that there's over 1,000 species of blackberry? And I'm probably maybe only growing 4. Something to think about. Did you know that tomato is actually a fruit? And it's the most popular fruit in the entire world. And some other vegetables that you may not think are fruits are cucumbers, pumpkins, and even peppers. Did you know that pawpaws are the largest North American fruit that most people haven't heard of? Did you know that plums, peaches, pears, and apples and apricots are actually a part of the rose family? Something to think about. Did you know that a banana is actually a berry and it has a natural antacid in it, so that if you have heartburn you should eat a banana? And if you also are a guy who works out or a girl who works out and you get any type of cramping, try a banana. Did you know that one pomegranate can produce up to 1,400 seeds, and in Latin means apple with seeds? Did you know that a cup of figs has the same amount of calcium as a cup of milk? Did you know that China sells and produces more tangerines than any other country? Did you know there's over 7,500 different types of apples out there, and that they could have been in cold storage for over a year before you bought them in the store? Did you know rhubarb leaves are toxic to humans? Did you know a strawberry is not actually a berry and is the only fruit to grow seeds on its outside? And each berry can grow up to 200 seeds on each? Did you know a cranberry when ripe will bounce? And I find if you want cranberries, you should, for the seeds, you buy them in December or January near Christmas time when they're ready, and they're already pre-stratified. Just a thought. Did you know that potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space? Did you know a kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange? Did you know a fruit is defined by seeds on the inside? Did you know the broccoli we eat are just flowers that haven't opened yet? Well, that's all I got for this week. I'm glad you guys stopped by. Don't forget to come by next week and check out a new video. And if you like them, don't forget to hit that thumbs up down there and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and be safe. We'll see you next week.